Hi everyone, let's make this heart shaped basket. So we are going to paste this beautiful fabric on this plate. Now add more lace around it. Paste it using hot glue gun and look, it's done. After this we are going to cover the base as well and we are going to put these ropes around it like this. Start pasting it using hot glue gun like this. After this we are going to paste these sticks around the plate like we are doing here and start putting this white thread around it. We are going to roll the thread around the stick and look, it's done. We are also putting these beads for more decoration. Similar way we are going to repeat the same process and make this beautiful design. Put these thread around the sticks. We are doing it in alternate sticks. Twist it and similar way you can make more such designs like this and look, it's done. Add more pearls at the top of the box like this. Now we are going to make the handle as well, so cover it and put it around the heart like this and look, it's ready. After this we're going to add more decoration pieces like lace and look, it is ready. You can put different things inside it. In this video we're going to learn how to make this beautiful bow where you're going to roll the thread around two fingers like this and tie a knot at the center. Pull the thread and adjust the strips and look, your bow is ready. In this video, we're going to cover this plastic lid and make a beautiful box out of it. Cover it using this fabric and lace. Paste it using hot glue gun. After this, we're going to cut 9 to 10 centimeter stick. We're going to cut many sticks and paste all of them around this lid using hot glue gun and look, it's done. Cover the base as well with the same fabric. After this, we're going to cover the sticks using this beautiful pink thread. Roll it on the alternate sticks like this. So we'll get this beautiful pattern and look, it's ready. Now cut the extra part of the stick using a cutter. We are also putting the stick and thread around the box for more safety like this and look, it's done. You can put a lace and a bow for more decoration and look, your basket is ready. Put your remote and tissue paper on the top of it and use it in many ways. We are going to make this beautiful basket, so take this plate and cover it using this beautiful fabric and lace using hot glue gun. Cover the base as well. Now start pasting this thread around it. We're also pasting these sticks. Carve the sticks for the different shape of the basket and start pasting this thread. We're also using a different color of thread like pink one for more decoration. Now twist it and start putting through the sticks like we're doing here and you will get a beautiful pattern like this. You can use different color of thread in place of this according to your wish. Now we are going to bend all the sticks like this and cover the sticks as well. We're going to put the thread in alternate sticks for this beautiful pattern. Cut the extra part, paste the lace and cover it. We're also making this handle. We are putting these pearls and then cover the sticks using this rope like we're doing here and look, your handle is ready and look how pretty this basket is looking. You can use it in very purpose. Thank you so much for watching this video.